morning, folks. In this video I'm going to show you how you can boil yourself eggs in less than 10 minutes very easily. So I bought this little thing from Walmart. This is called My Mini Egg Cooker, and it cost $8.95. Just to make it easy, let's say $9. So I would say this is one of the best $9 I think I've ever spent. It's very easy to use, and you can use it even while your truck is not running because it only uses 300 watts. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can use it, how you operate it. Let's just turn down the video. Alright, so you basically connect it to your inverter. It comes with a little cup that has a little poker inside. You can poke the eggs. Okay, so we're gonna boil 4 eggs. Alright, so once you put the eggs, make sure you have to make a hole, right? You see that little thing right there? Uh-oh, you see? You do not want to break it. I broke it. So basically, ideally, you just want to, poke a hole. Now, once you do that, this cup comes with a measurement. So I like it medium. I don't like my eggs hard, so we're gonna put that much water. I don't even use this. You could just guess it, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna use a cup. So let's add a little more water. Never hurts. Alright, so once you do that, you put the cap on. Make sure the eggs are not just rolling. Make sure you put it on a flat surface and you turn it on. Look. Alright, well, it looks like my inverter is turned off. Give me 1 second, folks. Apparently my inverter is working. The light is just not so bright, okay, when it's so light outside. So you turn it on, and well, let's just make sure the eggs are not falling. Boom. And we're gonna put a timer on for 8 minutes. And boom, in 8 minutes I'll show you guys the results of the video. And once we get the egg ready, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some potatoes inside that I also that is pre-made. So we're gonna put that in the microwave. We're gonna add avocado and have a delicious breakfast. We've got the eggs already cleaned, peeled off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some potatoes in the microwave. This is also what I get from Walmart. Now we're gonna throw it in the microwave for a minute. And in the meantime, let's clean an avocado. As you can see, the avocado is perfectly ready. It's already kind of going bad. Alright guys, so that potato is ready. Potato. Boom. Don't suck your finger. Alright folks, so this is the result of our cooking. So eggs, potatoes, and avocado. I threw some salt and pepper. We've got ourselves some grapes, a bottle of water. I wish I was at a truck stop to make myself coffee. Anyways, let's have the breakfast and start rolling. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.